Today we're going to launch a new laser peel called the Instant Glow Laser Peel. Everyone, we're getting into that fall season. There's going to be a lot of holiday parties, galas, events. So everyone wants to have that instant glow with very little or minimal downtime. So we researched and kind of found what we think is a great option for our patients. And it's going to incorporate the use of a carbon mask and then one of our picosecond lasers. And when you combine the two, it is a wonderful exfoliation treatment that plumps the skin. It targets that lighter pigment, that superficial pigment that it just needs to be lifted off. So it's going to exfoliate. It's also going to have a little bit of dermal heating, which causes your collagen to contract, as well as create new collagen. So it's very, plumping. It's also been shown to be good with acne patients because there is an antibacterial component to it. For texture, very fine lines, this peel is going to be your peel of choice. It's super short. You come in, it's about, probably 20-30 minutes. We're going to let the carbon mask sit on your face for about 10 minutes. And then afterwards, we use one of our pico lasers to gently remove it. So when we remove the carbon, it is going to also take with it any dead skin cells you have. So that's going to force new fresh cells to come to the surface. It's safe on all different skin types, from fairest to darkest. And there is minimal downtime. So it's going to be a really exciting addition to our Skin Savvy options to kind of get you ready for the holiday season. So we are super excited to offer this new Instant Glow laser peel at Skin Savvy, especially for those busy patients that have a lot on their schedule and don't want any downtime. You have a lot of events coming up that you want to just have that extra glow to your skin. Definitely give us a call because this is going to be something you're going to be interested in for this holiday season.